Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm McKayla, and I work here at Henderson's lineup in SuperSteer in the marketing department. And today I'm going to be kicking off something brand new that I'm really excited to share with you. Now, if you've seen our other videos, you've watched a lot of the more technical side of what goes on here. And if you're like me, you might be curious of what else goes on behind the scenes. So if you love RV upgrades, behind the scenes, and real stories, then boy, do I have a treat for you. Friday, we're going to be doing a Feature Friday made just for you. Today, we're going to be highlighting what these Feature Fridays will entail. Some weeks, you might get to meet one of our technicians and see who exactly is working on your RV. Other weeks, we might highlight products or upgrades that we think are right for you. We also share some real customer stories with you and let you know more about our beautiful town of Grants Pass, where we are located. And we have much more entailed, don't worry. So if these sound like things you are interested in, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so then you can follow along every Feature Friday. Here at Henderson's lineup in SuperSteer, there's a lot that goes into making your RV drive better, not just like the parts behind me. We like to pride ourselves in helping you find real solutions to your steering and suspension problems. As part of the marketing team here, I get to see a little bit of everything that goes on, from installs, rallies, customer experiences, to the sweet treats eaten behind the scenes. Within the last couple of weeks here, I've got to see a lot of really cool stuff that doesn't always make it into our regular videos. And I want to showcase more of what goes on, not just the technical side of things. Everything we do here is about making sure you have a better, safer, and happier RV experience. I want to show you what goes into making that happen while I myself learn. So treat these videos as your behind-the-scenes pass to everything that goes on here at Henderson's lineup in SuperSteer. If you have any thoughts or ideas of what you want to see every Friday, please let us know in the comments below. And I want to personally thank you for tuning into our channel, and I also want to see you next Friday. Until next time, have safer and happier driving.